And here's where it is. So it moved over the Yucatan Peninsula. It was a Category 2 hurricane at landfall, and it has weakened into a tropical storm now. Unfortunately, while it was over land just a few hours ago, it has now moved into the Gulf of Mexico, where we do have 80+ degree temperatures for the water temperatures. And folks, that is fuel to the fire for this storm to strengthen just a little bit. But it's very disorganized now, so the landmass that is the Yucatan Peninsula has done its job temporarily. Current stats on the storm: this is still a tropical storm. We're about to get that 10 o'clock advisory, and we just got it. Look at this, 60-mile-per-hour winds, so it has weakened as compared to the 7 o'clock advisory that was issued 3 hours ago. It's weakened by about 5 miles per hour, and the pressure has risen about 2 millibars. And it may take its time, it may wobble around a little bit before it begins to strengthen again, but the expectation is that this thing will strengthen prior to making landfall somewhere in Texas. So the initial expectation with the storm that was very consistent was it was going to move into northern Mexico and kind of trail along the Rio Grande. Unfortunately, the whole thought process has changed. So we have seen about a 250-mile shift in the data. So as opposed to this making landfall near the mouth of the Rio Grande as it feeds the Gulf of Mexico between Brownsville and northern Mexico, it is now shifted off to the east to a landfall somewhere between Galveston Island and Corpus Christi. Right now, I would put it just to the east of Matagorda Bay if I had to predict exactly where this thing was going to make landfall, because that is where most of the spaghetti models, each of the individual models that we use to forecast the storm, take it. But look at the consistency into East Texas. Nearly every spaghetti plot here takes the storm into East Texas, which would mean some heavy rainfall for us here. Now, as we look at the projected path of the storm, it kind of incorporates all that data. It is a margin of error. So as far south as perhaps the mouth of the Rio Grande and as far north as Beaumont. And as this thing makes landfall, it is expected to track into East Texas. So here is how this is going to go. The storm, it is likely to strengthen before it makes landfall at some point late Sunday or early Monday. It continues to move inland Monday morning, and then it begins to weaken over land, but still very well defined. And as we go towards Monday evening and Tuesday, it is expected to move over East Texas, which would bring us lots of rain. As a matter of fact, current projections are that we could have 3 to 6 inches plus of rain here in the red. You can see some pink showing up. That's upwards of 7 inches of rainfall. So this is something we're going to have to keep an eye on next week. If anything else, unfortunately, it looks like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be a washout for us. So we're going to keep an eye on that. We'll probably have to up the rain chances on Monday. The good news is, look at those temperatures, upper 80s and lower 90s over the next week for high temperatures. We'll take that at this time of year. For the latest weather forecast, you can find that over on our website, fox51.com.